Okay, so and then in terms of social grouping then, the idea of cults and social groups, what is your take in feminism in Islam?
Feminism.
Yes.
How would you define feminism?
So that equal rights between men and women.
Equal rights.
Between men and women.
Men and women should have equal rights.
So would you say that feminism is encouraged within Islam?
Again, Islam does not need feminism. Feminism needs Islam, because Islam gave women rights before feminism existed. How? I'll give you some examples. In Arabian society, the Arabians, the Arabs, were burying girls alive. They were killing young daughters. They would bar women from inheritance. When they would bar women from inheritance, the Quran revealed rights for women, that firstly women have the right to life, that daughters should not be buried. Secondly, an entire chapter was revealed in the Quran called Surah An-Nisa, which is the chapter of women, chapter number 4 of the Quran, the chapter of women. What rights were given? That people today bring up the inheritance laws. They say the laws in Islam are incorrect. The answer is, those laws are correct. Why? Because what they mention, the objection is that a female child receives half the inheritance of a male child. Ostensibly, this may seem unfair, but the correct understanding of this is the reason why the woman has half the inheritance of the male is because when the male sibling gets married, he must pay the dowry for his wife, and the woman can demand as much dowry as she wants. Additional to that, the man must maintain the lifestyle of that woman. So if she's going out and spending extravagantly, the man must pay. She can keep her money. So if you have a brother and sister, the brother receives £1 million, the sister receives 500,000. The brother goes and gets married, his wife demands a dowry of 200,000 pounds. She demands a house of 500,000 pounds. She demands X, Y, and Z. The man is left to work and he pays and maintains his wife's lifestyle. The sister, on the other hand, receives an inheritance of 500,000 pounds. She marries another man. She demands a house from him. She demands a dowry from him. He must maintain a lifestyle, and she does not have to spend a single penny on him in Islamic law. She will be richer than her brother in the long run. So this is how Islam gave women. In fact, I would say we do not believe in equal rights. We believe women should have more rights.